Hello and welcome back to the Helmet Head channel. Now you've heard of TELESIN. TELESIN are that brand that make mounts for your camera, and I mean literally hundreds of mounts. Whatever mount that you want, they will make. But the thing of it is, they've sent me 3 of their products to put under the 11 out of 10 review, and I'm excited. So they've sent me the U-shape neck holder mount to get that perfect POV shot. Also the double clamp mount that means that I can put my 360, clamp it to all different positions on my bike to get those unbelievable 360 shots. And lastly, the universal tube clamp with quick release. That means I can pop it on the front of the bike, get that shot facing me or facing forward, quickly being able to release it and take the camera with me. So let's put all of these through the 11 out of 10 test. Unboxing, installation on places on the bike, and plus the real weld, and see what footage that we can get with all 3 of these mounts. Let's start with the great unboxing. First of all, we're going to open the U-shape neck holder mount. It comes with instructions, 1 thumbnail screw and adapter. As you can see, the neck holder mount folds down really small. It feels really good quality and easy to shape to fit any neck size and to get that perfect camera angle. Next is the double clamp mount. This really feels rugged and strong with a solid metal feel. As you can see, it is fully adjustable with a clamp range of 9mm right up to 38, meaning that you can clamp this to any part of your bike to get that perfect camera angle whilst knowing that your camera is secure. And lastly is the universal tube clamp with quick release. Straight out of the box, again, this feels really solid and well made with that metal rugged feel. The clamp will clamp from 9 to 38mm again. As it's a ram mount style system, what you can do is just pop it on, tighten it up and position it into any position to make sure you get that perfect camera angle. The quick release is a 1-button twist and your camera's off and you can take it with you. Also, just removing the quick release mount, you can turn it around 180 degrees. Well, that's everything in the boxes, so let's move on to installation. Installing the universal tube clamp is so easy. You just undo the claw, pop it onto the position that you'd like, redo the claw, pop your camera in, tighten the thumb screw, position your angle, and then you will get that perfect shot. The quick release is literally 1-button twist off and put back on again. The double clamp mount is just as easy to install. You literally again undo the claw, pop it onto the position, retighten, adjust the angle, pop your selfie stick in with your 360 or GoPro in, retighten again the claw, and then you are good to go to catch those really epic 360 shots. Because it feels so heavy duty and rugged, you know your camera is completely safe and secure. And lastly, the U-shape neck holder mount. 1 button to unclip it, clip it back in, adjust the camera angle, and you are good to go. With all the mounts installed on the bike, what I'm going to do, I'm going to play you a montage from different angles using those mounts, including changing the clamp mount into different places so you can see exactly what you're able to capture just using these 3 mounts. Enjoy.
Yes, was lost in the woods, under dust, and the fairies found me. And they led the way, they cleared the way to my heart.
Well, I'm sure you'll agree with me that TELESIN make absolutely incredible mounts, really heavy duty, hard wearing, and with just these three, I've managed to capture so many different shots. They're just awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you links to all three of these products, their website, and any latest discount code down in the description so you can go and grab yours, because they are very much well worth it. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and of course, if you've not subscribed, please do so, because you will see all of the latest tech in the motorcycle space on this channel. And if there's any of these products that you think a friend would appreciate, share this video with them so they can see them in action themselves. And I'll see you in the next crazy helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.